Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essential prerequisites. Your phone must support 5G and have the latest carrier profile and OS updates. Once done, enable 5G in network settings and turn on VoLTE LTE or VoNR if available, because those allow voice and 5G data to coexist. Make sure you're on your carrier's 5G band by checking the status icons. Then place a test call while monitoring signal strength to begin the transition to 5G during the call. Now optimize for a live call. Set your phone to 5G on or 5G auto and prioritize NR/NSA or SA where offered. Once done, disable Wi-Fi calling and close heavy background apps so the device can allocate resources to the cellular modem. Make sure the APN and carrier settings match your plan. If something is inconsistent, reset network settings and reapply the carrier profile. Also, choose a location with outdoors line of sight or near a 5G small cell to improve the chance of staying on 5G while calling. Finally, perform the full test. Call someone and watch whether the 5G icon remains, listen for clarity and check data during the call. If it falls back to 4G, first toggle airplane mode or restart the phone to force a fresh registration. That often restores 5G. If problems persist, request carrier provisioning for VoNR or ask them to check local cell loading and bands. One key tip: log time, location, and symptoms before calling support to speed troubleshooting and get precise fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.